iSeeMammals is a citizen science project in New York for helping researchers study black bears. This tutorial is for setting up and submitting data from trail cameras. This requires using both the app and the website. To begin on our app, sign in and tap Set Up Camera Location. The app asks if you are at where your camera is set up. When you are, press Yes. If this is your first time using the app, it will ask to access your location. Please choose Allow. Next, the map will show your location. If it is correct, press Confirm. If the pin does not show where you and the camera are, press the Adjust button. Drag the map and use the zoom to place the pin in the correct location. When you are satisfied, press Done. The map should now show the correct location. Press Confirm. Next, the app asks you to confirm that the date and time are set up on the camera. Provide a descriptive name for your camera. Tap the gray text to access the keyboard, and confirm when ready. Then, provide a description of the site, for example, if it is at a field edge or by a pond. The forward and back arrows at the top allow you to navigate through the pages. Continue on by pressing the forward arrow at the top. The app asks what schedule the camera will follow to take pictures when it detects motion. Choose all or any of the time periods. The app is now ready. Press Start the camera, and iSeeMammals will help you keep track of when your camera is running. On this page, you can see the camera details, including status and history. You can also delete the camera here as well. Press Cams at the top left to go back to the main page, and you will see that the camera is flagged as active. We recommend returning to the camera every 2 weeks to collect photos and check the batteries. Click on the camera and press Stop Camera. Confirm that you are checking the camera and that the dates for the camera period are correct. If they are incorrect, tap the timestamp to scroll and correct them. Next, review and update the description of the site. Then answer yes or no for if the camera malfunctioned. You will be given a list of dates to choose from for when the camera malfunctioned. Review and confirm the schedule that the camera was using. Select and deselect the options to fix any errors. Then, confirm if the camera took any bear photos. If you are unable to check at the camera and need to be at a computer, press Maybe. A reminder appears to upload any bear photos to the website. Confirm with OK. Finally, confirm that the camera entry is complete. Choose Finalize and Submit. The camera history log is updated and shows inactive. If you continue to have the camera out in the field, you can choose Restart Camera. The app asks if you have moved the camera to a new location. If you select Yes, a map will appear for you to update the location. Adjust as necessary and confirm. Review the site description, that the date and timestamp on the camera are correct, that the camera schedule is correct, and then press the Restart the Camera button. The camera history log is now updated. Return to the main page by pressing the Cams button at the top left. On the website, iSeeMammals.org, log in and go to My Fixed Cameras in the top left corner. Here, you can set up a camera by first providing details about the camera. However, to finish the setup, you will need a smartphone with the iSeeMammals app. Contact us if you do not have a smartphone. On the main page, you can also see all of your cameras, their descriptions, and current status. Click on any one to see the details. Here, you can also stop a camera period or restart it. You can also delete the entire camera with the Delete button at the top right. To submit photos of bears for a camera period that has ended, click the Upload button next to it. This takes you to a page with the details about the camera period. A map of the camera location appears. If it is incorrect, click the link to move the pin, panning and zooming as necessary. Then confirm the timestamp for the camera period. Change the dates by clicking on them if necessary. Then answer if the camera took any photos. If you click Yes, upload all the photos from your camera during that time period. You can review the site description, if the camera ever malfunctioned, and what schedule the camera followed. When you are finished, confirm that you are done, and press Submit. Thank you so much for setting up a trail camera with iSeeMammals and contributing data. Be sure to check out our instructional videos on observations and hikes.